spoke a word and it was done. The one deserving of our praise is the Lord above. You gave your life, then we were one. The one deserving of our praise is the Lord above. Sing it again. You spoke a word and it the one we give all of our praise and glory to, who is the King and coming soon, the one we give all of